Hey, it's Cyrus. And if you have a busy mind that has trouble focusing or ADHD, I'm going to show you something I like to call the leapfrog meditation method to get you super relaxed and focused quickly. Once you've done it, you'll know how to do it again and lock in easily anytime you want. We're going to make this smoother and easier than you think, so go ahead and find a comfortable position sitting upright. Close your eyes or fix them on a specific spot in front of you, whatever feels instinctive. And take a deep, slow, powerful breath in through the nose, really breathing deep all the way down to your toes, imagining like you're breathing down towards your feet. And then keep your mental spotlight on your feet. Imagine like you have a mental spotlight and you're placing them on your feet. Not thinking about it, just instinctively feeling the subtle, tingling, buzzing sensation in your feet. And now being aware of the lower legs at the same time, your feet and your lower legs. And now leapfrog by letting go of the feet. Feel the lower legs and jump up to your upper legs. Feeling your lower legs and your upper legs at the same time now. Don't try to be perfect, just find a rhythm and leapfrog again, letting go of the lower legs, feeling your upper legs and the lower belly, the upper legs and the lower belly. Letting go of the upper legs, feeling the lower belly and the upper belly at the same time. Breathing and concentrating on the lower belly and the upper belly. Great stuff, you're finding a rhythm. Let go of the lower belly, feel the upper belly and the chest. The upper belly and the chest with a gentle precision. Letting go of upper belly, feeling the chest and the shoulders. Chest and shoulders. Letting go of the chest, feeling the shoulders and the upper arms. Let go of thoughts and distractions, let go of the shoulders and feel the upper arms and the lower arms at the same time. Feeling and sensing, not thinking. Let go of the upper arms, feel the lower arms and the palms of your hands. Let go of the upper arms, feel the palms of the hands and the fingers, buzzing and tingling, palms and fingers. Release the fingers and feel the palms of the hands and the wrists, just getting specific, palms and wrists. Letting go of the palms and feeling the wrists and the elbows, leapfrogging to the next joint, wrists and elbows. Dropping the wrists, feeling the elbows and the shoulders. Dropping the elbows, feeling the shoulders and the neck. Dropping the shoulders, literally and figuratively if you feel so inclined, and feeling the neck and the jaw at the same time. Letting go of the neck and feeling the jaw and the ears at the same time. Releasing the jaw, feeling the ears and the top of your head, top of the head and your ears. And now take a deep breath as if you're breathing in through the top of the head, and breathe like you're breathing a wave of energy down the body all the way to the feet. And on the exhale, let that wave wash back up the body, feeling the tide of the energy of the breath pouring back up the body. And expanding your spotlight now to feel the whole body head to toe at the same time. Not thinking about it, just instinctively sensing the whole body head to toe with your instinctive spotlight of attention. As you breathe, release any obvious tension you notice in your muscles and maintain an alert awareness, head to toe. Dive deeper into the sensations you notice if it feels safe. Start to become one with the body, one with the sensations, head to toe, totally immersed. Not judging or thinking about what you're sensing, just starting to allow yourself to enjoy all the aliveness, all the buzzing and tingling sensations of chi flowing head to toe, moment to moment. And now imagine and visualize yourself being fully present and focused on what's right in front of you for the rest of your day. Seeing and feeling yourself enjoyably focused on one moment at a time. And set the intention now to be present with one moment at a time, to carry this rhythm of focus and presence you've cultivated back with you into your day. Setting that intention now if it feels good to you. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Notice how you were able to work your way into a rhythm of relaxed focus in a short period of time by using the leapfrog method to keep yourself dynamically engaged and focused. And if that surprises you, be aware that that's just the tip of the iceberg. You're capable of so much more than you think in terms of deep focus and flow state if you practice and train in this way. So keep going deeper, use my ADHD-friendly playlist to try different sessions and keep challenging yourself to go deeper and be consistent and notice the benefits stack up. And if you think you'd benefit from a more structured approach, but something that's still dynamic for a busy mind, you can check out my ADHD meditation course. The link is in the description below. Thanks for taking the time for yourself today. Remember, you can practice and train and use the leapfrog method on your own. And I would love to hear your experience. I hope you have an amazing day.